From India crossing 20 lakh COVID-19 cases to Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressing a conclave on new education policy, I'm Mansi Mathur bring you with the top headlines of the day. India reported more than 60,000 fresh coronavirus cases. With this, the total tally of coronavirus cases has crossed the 2 million mark. The 5 states that reported the highest number of patients in the last 24 hours are Maharashtra with 11,514 cases, followed by Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and Uttar Pradesh. Coronavirus pandemic is far from over, but despite this news, a new virus has emerged in various provinces of China. At least 7 people are dead and more than 60 are infected as a new tick-borne virus has originated in China's eastern province. What is worrying is that Chinese health officials have not yet ruled out the possibility of human-to-human transmission. Common symptoms are similar to the novel coronavirus and include coughing, fever, common cold, etc. However, as a new ray of hope for the education sector in the country, Prime Minister Narendra Modi preferred to talk about the new education policy. Prime Minister Modi virtually addresses Conclave on Transformational Reforms in Higher Education under National Education Policy. The conclave is being organized by the Ministry of Education, formerly known as Ministry of Human Resource Development, and University Grants Commission, that is UGC. In his speech, Prime Minister said, NEP shifts focus from what we think to how we think. While PM was addressing the conclave, Girish Chandra vacated his office for the newly elected LG of Jammu and Kashmir, Manoj Sinha. Former Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir, Girish Chandra Murmu, has now been appointed as the new Comptroller and Auditor General, CAG, of the country. He is the 14th CAG of India. He was also the first Lieutenant Governor of Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. Murmu has succeeded Rajiv Maharishi. Moving on, the tensions between India and China are not going to be far from over. While India appointed a new LG in Jammu and Kashmir, Sri Lanka held its parliamentary elections. Sri Lanka's newly elected Prime Minister Mahinda Rajapaksa wins the parliamentary elections with a huge majority. His Sri Lanka People's Party SLPP has won 145 seats out of 225 parliamentary seats. Prime Minister Narendra Modi telephoned PM Rajapaksa to congratulate him on his victory. Rajapaksa tweeted that he looks forward to working with Prime Minister Modi closely to further enhance the long-standing cooperation between the two countries. On one front, India continues to strengthen its bilateral relations with Sri Lanka, and on the other, environmental disasters continue to create a havoc across various states in the country. Floods in Bihar, heavy rainfall in Mumbai, and now landslides in Kerala's Munnar have disrupted several lives across the country. In Kerala, nearly 80 people have been injured. In Bihar, nearly 19 lakh people have been displaced from their houses, and in Mumbai, the drainage systems are being choked. NDRF teams have been deployed in the states to carry out the rescue operations. With that, we come to the end of this bulletin. Until then, keep watching Snoobox.